Greeting to all. Today, I Akshay Bolwalia, student of BBA semester 6, is going to give a presentation on globalization. Globalization, introduction of globalization. The modern world is seen as a world without geographical boundaries and any kind of barrier. Globalization has been the major force behind this. Globalization is the interaction of the world economy and exchange, the idea, product, technology. Globalization hit India late but had huge impact on nation, economy, policy and various other aspects. Globalization is a process of international integration arise from the interchange of world view, product, idea and other aspect of culture. Globalization means rapid increase in share of economic activity taking place across national border. Integration of economics, the increased relevance of economy on other, the the opportunity to be able to sell and buy in any country in the world, the opportunity for labor and capital to allocate anywhere in the world, the growth of global market in finance aspect, the trade and transaction, capital and investment movement, migration. Dimension of globalization: economic globalization, political globalization, cultural globalization, ideological globalization. Reason for globalization: better resource, low cost of production, devaluation of local market, market expansion, increased profit, operating internationally. Globalization of India economy. Indian economy adopted the policy of restriction after independence, but in 1991, due to the economic crisis, the government of India decided to open its market for the foreign investment. The new economic policy adopted had impact on every sector of Indian economy. Impact on globalization: rapid growth of business, opportunity to globe, introduction of various new technologies, rise in access of technology in rural area, new technology in agriculture, rise in illiteracy rate. Conclusion: globalization had increased the trade of product, idea, technology, but also had some negative impact on developing country. Following with globalization, India is shining in near every prospect. India is getting a global recognition and slow moving toward to become a major economic and political strength through the developing development is proceeding rapidly. Still many basic problem like rural poverty is rises. Thank you.